All right, this page, guys, is our rotations. Okay, so this is rotations. Now, there's a little special thing I like to tell you about rotations, okay? So, when it comes to rotations only, we pretend all these numbers are positive. All right, this is still your x, and this is still always your y, but they are always positive, okay? So when we say that, we look at it like this. So, when it's a 90-degree rotation, all right? It's a 90-degree rotation. What we do is we move one quadrant. Okay, we move one quadrant, meaning each quadrant is one of these things, counterclockwise. Okay, we move one quadrant counterclockwise, and then what we do is we flip the numbers. Okay, so we flip the numbers. It's a 90-degree rotation, 180-degree rotation, okay? Move one quadrant counterclockwise. Okay, keep numbers the same. Keep the numbers, okay? So 180, I'm sorry, that's two quadrants. I do apologize. So 90 is one quadrant, 180 is two quadrants, and you can guess what 270 will be. You move three quadrants counterclockwise. All right, you move three quadrants counterclockwise, flip. All right, so it goes flip, keep, flip. Okay, so now let's actually do the first one, 90 degrees. Now when it says one quadrant counterclockwise, flip the numbers. So let's see, let's first actually find what our each point is. So this point right here is, looks like 9, 6. Okay, so we have 9, 6. Remember, I'm pretending all these numbers are positive. So even if they're negative, I'm going to pretend they're positive just for this sake. This is 9, 4. This is 2, 6. This is 2, 4. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to move one quadrant. That means we're using this quadrant right here. Okay, so this quadrant right here. And we're flipping the numbers. So 9, 6 becomes 6, 9. 9, 4 becomes 4, 9. 2, 6 becomes 6, 2. And 4, 6 becomes 2, 4 becomes 4, 2. Okay? So this is what all the numbers are going to be changing to. So 6, 9. So we're going to go over here in this quadrant. We're 6, 9, which is right here. Then we're going to go 4, 9. Then we're going to go 6, 2. Then we're going to go 4, 2. Okay? Okay, notice how what we did was we rotated the object. We rotated the object 90 degrees. And that's what it would look like when it's rotation of 90 degrees. Alright, this next one. Okay, so it's a 270-degree rotation. So that means we're moving three quadrants counterclockwise, and we're flipping the numbers. So we're moving 1, 2, 3. That's going to be this part right here. We're going to flip the numbers. Okay, so let's first find, remember, we're going to pretend that all these numbers are positive just for rotations. Okay, this point's at 1, 1. This point is at 5, 3. And this point is at 9, 1. Okay, so we're going to flip the numbers. So this becomes 1, 1. This becomes 3, 5. This becomes 1, 9. So we're going to plot 1, 1. We're We're going to plot 3, 5, and we're going to plot 1, 9. And as you can see, we essentially rotated the object, moved it to right here. Rotation of 180 degrees. Okay, so this one we move 2 quadrants counterclockwise, keep the numbers the same. So we're going to keep them the same this time. So we're going to move 1, 2. So it's this quadrant right here. We're going to use all these points. Remember, I'm just pretending it for the sole fact that it's a lot easier to plot these when you don't. 5, 9. This one is 3, 2. And this one is 3, 9. Alright, so let's plot these. So 5, 2, 5, 2, 5, 9, 5, 9, 3, 2, so we're going to go to 3, 2, 3, 9. And that's rotated 180 degrees. Now we're going to rotate this thing 270 degrees. So we're going to rotate this. So 270 is 1, 2, 3. We're going to flip the numbers. Okay, so this one's at 4, 3. 4, 3. This one's at 2, 6. This one's at 6, 6. This one's at 4, 9. Okay, we're going to flip the numbers. It becomes 3, 4, 6, 2, 6, 6, and 9, 4. So we're going to go right here. We're going to go to 3, 4. So we're going to go 3, down 4. 6, 2, so we're going to go 6, 2, 6, 6, 9, 4. Connect the dots. And that's the object rotated 270 degrees. Alright, now we're going to find the rules. Alright, so I labeled them A and A prime. A prime is essentially the image. A is the original. So what happened here? Well, it looks like it moved all the way around. It moved 1, 2, and 3. So it looks like it rotated. Alright, so it rotated. Now let's figure out how much. Well, if I rotated 90, it'd be there. If I rotated 180, it would be there. If I wrote 270, well, it's going to be right there. So it rotated 270 degrees. This next one. This next one looks like a reflection. Okay, so I know at least it's a reflection because this is a mirror image of the other one, so it's going to be a reflection. Okay, now we got to figure out what's the line of reflection. Well, it's not going to be a vertical line of reflection. It's going to have to be a horizontal line of reflection. So we can figure out how much space is in between these two. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, that means half because it's got to be half the distance. So half the distance from this to this would be 2 spaces. So going 1, 2. So obviously this line right here, okay, has to be the line of reflection, meaning that it reflects across this line. So it's a reflection about y equals 2. All right.